back. Today we're making an Oreo peanut butter pie. It looks really delicious, really easy, and really simple. So, let's get baking. We're going to start by melting 5 tablespoons of butter in our microwave. Next, we're going to grind up 20 Oreos in a processor and then add in our melted butter. We'll mix this together, and I found that a fork is the easiest way to do that. Now we're going to press it out in a glass pie plate. This one is 9 inches, and we'll just press it out with our fingers, starting from the center and going up to the edges, and just press it out until it's even in the way you want it, and then we'll chill this while we make our pie filling. For our filling, we're going to use 2 cups of crunchy peanut butter and mix this with 3/4 cup of powdered sugar. In a new bowl, we're going to melt 1 cup of dark or bittersweet chocolate with 7 tablespoons of butter. We'll melt this in the microwave in 30-second intervals. And every 30 seconds, we will take it out and stir. Now we're going to take our crust out of the freezer and press out our peanut butter filling into the crust and make it all flat and smooth on top. And then we're going to top it off with our chocolate ganache and any other toppings you'd like. Once that's done, you're going to chill before serving. So here's the final product. It is a really nice looking piece of peanut butter pie. It's really nice looking, so I can't wait to try a piece. It's really delicious. It's very sweet. Of course, chocolate and peanut butter is gonna work so well together. And this is dark chocolate, so it's like really, really good. And the Oreo crust is delicious, and you don't even have to bake it, so it's so easy. It's definitely something I would want to have with a big glass of milk. I really like the crunch of the crunchy peanut butter. It's something I'm not used to, but it's really delicious and works really well with this. So that's gonna be it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like and subscribe to see more baking videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Happy New Year! Wait. Okay. Wait. Okay. Wait.
You didn't make enough film.
Would you like to put on all this makeup and do this yourself?
Yeah.
Really?
No.
Weirdo. I can't believe how fat he is. Look at how massive that chunker is.
Alright guys, you guys are probably pretty confused right now, so we're gonna go ahead and show you.
Stop moving the chair.
Seriously, Jacob.
I'll throw checkers at you.